Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a smart pressure cooker that can do it all? From lightning-fast meals to slow-cooked perfection, we've rounded up the top 5 best smart pressure cookers to make your cooking smarter, safer, and more efficient. Let's get into it. Number 5 on our list is the Fullwill Smart Pressure Cooker. The Fullwill Smart Pressure Cooker is a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse designed to simplify meal preparation and enhance cooking efficiency. Combining the capabilities of 9 different appliances in one, it functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, saute pan, steamer, food warmer, and soup maker. This versatility makes it a practical solution for a wide variety of cooking tasks, all in a single device. With 12 customizable one-touch presets, users can effortlessly cook meals ranging from poultry and porridge to chili and cake. Whether you're making a hearty stew or a delicate yogurt, the Fullwill Smart Pressure Cooker adapts to your culinary needs with precision and ease. Engineered for speed and energy efficiency, this smart cooker prepares meals up to 70% faster than conventional methods, making it ideal for busy households. Safety and convenience are also top priorities, featuring overheat protection, a secure lid lock, and pressure control. The steam release design includes a seal/vent button positioned away from the valve and a 30-angled release that minimizes the risk of steam burns during venting. The non-stick inner pot is PFOA-free, ensuring healthier meals without the concern of harmful chemicals. Cleanup is also hassle-free, thanks to its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior and dishwasher-safe lid, pot, and accessories. Designed with a generous 6-quart capacity, the Fullwill Smart Pressure Cooker is well suited for families and larger gatherings, offering both functionality and capacity in a single, compact appliance. Number 4 is the Comfee Smart Pressure Cooker. The Comfee Smart Pressure Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation with advanced functionality and intelligent features. With its 9-in-1 design, this multifunctional cooker can seamlessly serve as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute pan, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg maker, and food warmer all in one compact unit. This appliance comes equipped with 13 programmable preset functions that make cooking a wide variety of meals quick and effortless. Whether you're preparing hearty meat dishes, nutritious broths, creamy oatmeal, or perfectly cooked beans, the Comfee Smart Pressure Cooker helps you achieve consistent results with just a few button presses. Safety is a top priority with this cooker, which features 10 built-in safety mechanisms. These include overheat protection, an automatic pressure release system, and a secure lid locking feature to ensure a safe cooking experience every time. Adding to its convenience is a 24-hour delay timer, allowing users to plan meals ahead of time and enjoy freshly cooked dishes at their preferred moment. Ideal for busy households and meal planners alike, the Comfee Smart Pressure Cooker is a smart solution for modern kitchens seeking speed, variety, and safety in everyday cooking. Coming in at number 3 is the Haoyunma Ninja Smart Pressure Cooker. The Haoyunma Ninja Smart Pressure Cooker, also known as the Ninja Footy 10-in-1 6.5-quart Pro Pressure Cooker O300, is designed to revolutionize the way you cook. With 10 functions in a single appliance: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sous vide, yogurt, air fry, broil, bake/roast, dehydrate, and sear/saute, this smart cooker delivers maximum versatility at the push of a button. Equipped with advanced bottom heating elements and precise temperature control, it ensures consistent and quality results. The standout feature is its tender crisp technology, which allows users to lock in moisture with pressure cooking, then switch to air frying for a golden, crispy finish all in the same pot. It cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods and air fries with up to 75% less fat, making quick and healthy meals easy. From frozen chicken wings ready in just 20 minutes to a full 5 lb chicken in under an hour, this appliance brings speed and flavor to your kitchen. The generous 6.5-quart ceramic-coated, non-stick pot is ideal for family meals or meal prepping, holding a 6 lb roast with ease. Its 4.6-quart cook and crisp plate can handle up to 3 lbs of French fries. The nesting broil rack adds even more cooking space, enabling simultaneous steaming or broiling. Cleanup is effortless thanks to dishwasher-safe components that are PTFE/PFOA-free. Designed with safety in mind, the cooker features 14 safety mechanisms and has passed rigorous testing standards. It comes with a pressure lid, nesting broil rack, and cook and crisp plate, along with 15 chef-inspired recipes and helpful cooking charts for added inspiration. With the Haoyunma Ninja Smart Pressure Cooker, enjoy the perfect blend of speed, versatility, and taste in one compact, intelligent appliance. Number 2 is the Instant Pot Rio Smart Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Rio Smart Pressure Cooker marks a bold leap forward in modern cooking. Designed to celebrate a decade of culinary innovation, the Rio Wide brings together advanced features and stylish design to transform the way you cook. It's not just an update, it's a redefinition of convenience, speed, and versatility in the kitchen. Engineered to make meals up to 70% faster while using up to 60% less energy, the Rio Wide stands out as a high-efficiency powerhouse. It borrows the much-loved qualities of the Instant Pot Duo while enhancing them with a fresh, modern touch. The standout feature is its wider, shorter inner pot, offering a cooking area larger than a standard 12-inch skillet. With 35% more searing surface, it's perfect for everything from a whole 5-pound chicken to multiple racks of ribs. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a tri-ply bottom, the Rio Wide ensures even heat distribution and robust performance. Its broad design gives you better visibility and easier access during cooking, making everything from stirring to saute a breeze. The built-in anti-spin pot keeps things steady, enhancing your cooking control. Equipped with 13 smart cooking programs and a guided cooking indicator, the Rio supports a seamless cooking experience from start to finish. The easy release switch streamlines steam release for added safety and speed. Whether you're prepping a quick dinner or cooking for a crowd, the Instant Pot Rio makes it easier than ever to create delicious, all-in-one meals with confidence and ease. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Cosori Smart Pressure Cooker. The Cosori Smart Pressure Cooker is a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify meal preparation while enhancing safety and ease of use. With an impressive 9-in-1 functionality, it combines multiple appliances into a single, compact device. Whether you're pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, saute or even trying out sous vide, this cooker adapts to a variety of cooking needs, including options for rice, porridge, stew, beans, poultry, and fermentation. Cleaning up is straightforward thanks to the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior and the dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. The pot also features a 0.5-inch widened gap, making it easier to handle and clean. Inside, the aluminum cooking pot is coated with a hard, ceramic non-stick layer that is BPA-free and safe for food contact. Designed with user safety and convenience in mind, the Cosori Smart Pressure Cooker includes a seal/vent button positioned away from the steam release valve, along with a 30-angled steam release for safer venting. A real-time progress bar on the display allows you to monitor your cooking with a quick glance, while the easy lid locking mechanism marked by aligning 2 orange dots ensures secure closure. Additional thoughtful features include an anti-spin design that keeps the inner pot stable during stirring or saute, and 12 built-in safety protections like overheat prevention and a double-layer anti-scalding lid. Altogether, this pressure cooker brings modern convenience, safety, and versatility into your kitchen routine.